Hi friends. Here are 50 multiple choice questions, MCQs, with answers on Chapter 14 Supplemental Proceedings, Sections 94 to 95, of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, CPC. 1. What does Chapter 14 of the CPC primarily deal with? Answer. B. Supplementary and procedural orders. 2. Section 94 of the CPC deals with. Answer. B. Supplementary proceedings for execution of decrees. 3. What is the purpose of a supplementary proceeding under Section 94? Answer. B. To help enforce the judgment and decree. 4. Section 94 allows the court to make which of the following orders in supplementary proceedings? A. Attachment of property. B. Appointment of a receiver. C. Injunction. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 5. In which circumstances can the court make orders under Section 94? Answer. A. When the decree is not being complied with. 6. A court can pass an order for the attachment of property under. Answer. B. Section 94. 7. Which of the following can the court do under Section 94 in supplementary proceedings? A. Grant temporary injunctions. B. Attach property. C. Appoint a receiver. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 8. Under Section 94, the court has the power to issue an injunction in cases where A. The defendant is likely to remove the property. B. The plaintiff's right is not protected. C. The defendant disobeys the court's order. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 9. Section 95 gives the court the power to. Answer. A. Grant relief from an order of attachment. 10. Under Section 95, if the attachment was wrongful, the court may order A. Payment of damages to the defendant. B. Return of the property. C. Payment of costs to the plaintiff. D. Both A and B. Answer. D. Both A and B. 11. Section 94 empowers the court to appoint a receiver. Answer. D. When the decree is not being complied with. 12. The court may pass orders to stay proceedings under. Answer. B. Section 94. 13. An injunction under Section 94 can be issued to A. Prevent the defendant from transferring property. B. Stop further legal actions. C. Prevent harassment of the plaintiff. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 14. What is the remedy if the court has attached a property wrongly under Section 95? A. Filing a fresh suit. B. Requesting a review of the order. C. Asking the court to revoke the attachment. D. Appealing to the higher court. Answer. C. Asking the court to revoke the attachment. 15. When can a court exercise its powers under Section 94? Answer. B. Whenever it is necessary for the execution of a decree. 16. Under Section 94, which of the following is not a power of the court? Answer. C. Awarding damages. 17. Under Section 94, what type of injunction can the court issue? A. Temporary injunction. B. Permanent injunction. C. Preliminary injunction. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Temporary injunction. 18. A court may issue an order for the attachment of property if. Answer. D. There is a risk of the defendant dissipating assets. 19. Which order is not provided by Section 94? Answer. D. Attachment of the property of a third party. 20. Section 94 of the CPC empowers the court to pass any order. Answer. A. To prevent the property from being removed. 21. Section 94 empowers the court to A. Order attachment of debts. B. Order the appointment of a liquidator. C. Order payment of costs to the defendant. D. Order the transfer of a suit. Answer. A. Order attachment of debts. 22. Section 94 can be invoked when. Answer. B. A party seeks a specific order to enforce a decree. 23. The relief under Section 95 is available when. Answer. C. There has been wrongful attachment of property. 24. What does Section 95, 1, provide for regarding wrongful attachment? Answer. A. Compensation for the wrongful attachment. 25. A party seeking a receiver under Section 94 must show A. That the defendant is unable to pay. B. That the defendant is likely to dispose of the property. C. That the property is being neglected. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 26. A court may issue an order under Section 94 for A. A temporary receiver. B. Appointment of an official liquidator. C. Prevention of unauthorized transfer of assets. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 27. A plaintiff may file an application under Section 95 for A. Compensation for wrongful attachment. B. Compensation for wrongful denial of claim. C. Compensation for failure to execute the decree. D. Both A and B. Answer. A. Compensation for wrongful attachment. 28. Section 94 enables the court to issue an order for Answer. C. The attachment of property before judgment. 29. The court may grant an injunction under Section 94 to Answer. A. Prevent an asset transfer by the defendant. 30. What does Section 95, 2, provide for? A. Compensation when the attachment was not wrongful. B. Prohibition of further attachment. C. Relief in case of wrongful attachment. D. Imposition of penalties on the defendant. Answer. C. Relief in case of wrongful attachment. 31. Under Section 94, the court can grant A. A permanent injunction. B. A temporary injunction. C. A stay of execution of a decree. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 32. The remedies available under Section 94 of the CPC include A. Temporary injunctions and attachment of property. B. Appointment of a receiver and sale of property. C. Both A and B. D. Only appointment of a receiver. Answer. C. Both A and B. 33. Section 95 provides relief against Answer. A. Wrongful attachment of property. 34. An injunction issued under Section 94 could A. Restrain the defendant from selling property. B. Order the defendant to vacate premises. C. Mandate the defendant to pay a sum of money. D. Both A and B. Answer. D. Both A and B. 35. Section 94 empowers the court to attach Answer. A. Both movable and immovable property. 36. Under Section 94, if the defendant transfers the property, the court may Answer. B. Attach the property. 37. In case of wrongful attachment under Section 95, the affected party is entitled to Answer. B. Compensation for loss. 38. Which of the following is a function of a receiver appointed under Section 94? A. Protecting the property. B. Managing the property. C. Selling the property. D. Both A and B. Answer. D. Both A and B. 39. A court order under Section 94 may be made in. Answer. C. Cases where the decree needs to be enforced. 40. In case of wrongful attachment, Section 95 gives the aggrieved party the right to. Answer. B. Seek compensation from the court. 41. Section 94, 1, F, empowers the court to A. Attach debts. B. Attach movable property. C. Attach immovable property. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 42. The main objective of supplementary proceedings is to. Answer. B. Enforce compliance with the judgment. 43. Section 94 enables a court to appoint a receiver to A. Take possession of the defendant's property. B. Protect and manage property that is in dispute. C. Collect rent from the defendant. D. Both A and B. Answer. D. Both A and B. 44. Which of the following orders can be issued under Section 94? A. Attachment of debts. B. Temporary injunction. C. Appointment of a receiver. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 45. A suit can be initiated under Section 94. A. When the judgment is about to be executed. B. When the defendant has refused to obey a decree. C. Both A and B. D. Only after the appeal period has passed. Answer. C. Both A and B. 46. Section 95 allows the court to compensate a party for. Answer. B. Wrongful attachment of property. 47. An application for supplemental proceedings can be filed. Answer. B. Only after the decree is passed. 48. A court can issue an order of attachment under Section 94 for the purpose of A. Preventing the defendant from transferring assets. B. Securing the defendant's assets. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Both A and B. 49. The supplementary proceedings under Section 94 aim to. Answer. B. Ensure that the plaintiff's decree is fulfilled. 50. Section 95 specifically deals with. Answer. B. Wrongful attachment of property. These questions cover the key concepts of Chapter 14 Supplemental Proceedings, Sections 94 to 95, of the CPC, 1908. I hope this will help you. Good luck.